This tutorial focuses on creating an author H-index in Web of Science. The H-index was created by George E. Hirsch with the goal of quantifying both the productivity and the apparent impact of a scientific author. Ideally, this number is based on all articles published by an author and all articles citing each of those publications. In reality, the Hirsch number depends on the database. Specifically, it depends on how many of the author's articles are in that database and, more importantly, how many articles citing the author are also available in that same database. Google Scholar, Scopus, and Web of Science offer H-index options. This tutorial focuses on Web of Science and creating as accurate an author H-index as is possible. Start at the USC Libraries homepage, libraries.usc.edu, and log in. Web of Science can be found under Database Quick Links. Alternatively, scroll down and click on Databases. Then click on Web of Science, also under Quick Links. Identifying all citations published by an author may require multiple steps. Start by searching the Web of Science core collection. Click on Plus More, and then Author Search. Enter the last name and first initial of the author. Select plus add author name variant if the author is known to have published under different names or initials. For your first search, click Select Research Domain, and optionally limit your search to the fields in which the author published. Click Select Organization, and scroll down and check the names of the institutions at which they served. For example, the University of Southern California. Scroll and click Finish Search. Alternatively, click on the title of a known citation, and then on the link to the author's name. The Web of Science algorithm retrieves citations suspected to have been published by that author. To create a citation report based on these results, click the link on the right-hand side of the page. Note that the H-index for these 128 records is 46. Thus, at least 46 articles were cited 46 times. To save this report, use Export Data and click on Save to Excel File. The default number of records on a page is 10. Select all records by clicking 1, and then the number of records retrieved, in this case, 128. Click Send. The Excel report will be downloaded to your computer. The report includes the search strategy, total number of citations retrieved, the H-index, and the citations you elected to download. However, do you have all the citations in Web of Science by that author, and only those by that author? Scroll down to view the list of citations and sort by using the options, for example, Date. Delete inappropriate citations by checking the box and clicking Go. If citations are missing, the easiest process is to create a marked list. Click on Search History, and then the search results. Select citations individually, or alternatively, scroll down and under Show, click 50 per page. Click Select Page, then Add to Marked List. Go to the next page and repeat this process until all items have been reviewed. To search by the full name of an author, click Search, select All Databases, and Author from the drop-down menus. You can use the author index to search for variations of the name, or simply enter the full name of the author, last name first. Use alternative spellings by clicking the plus at another field, changing the drop-down menu to OR, and the topic to author. Click Search. Items already in the marked list have a check beside them. Add missing items by checking the box and clicking Add to Marked List. Finally, to search for known articles not on the list, return to Search and click Reset Form. For example, let's find this article on telepsychiatry. Change the drop-down menu to Title. Remember, Web of Science searches select high-impact journals. Some author articles may not be included. This article, co-authored by Vega, is in Web of Science. Check the box and add it to the marked list. To access your final citation report, click Marked List, and then scroll down and click on Create Citation Report. You can also double-check your list of citations and remove citations selected in error by clicking the red X. Save the final marked list by clicking on the total records, then the format in which you want them to be saved. Good luck and happy searching.